Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And today it's TTC now. Since this one, Kaden, our old favorite member of the team, but
now it's gonna be
TTC because he's quitting.
And
she likes it.
And I got a plan going here.
I never said that I quit. I just didn't want to do it.
Sit.
That's not the comment.
Yeah,
Guys, come on.
Okay.
And 3, 1, 3. Hit that subscribe button.
And guys, today I got a fidget spinner.
Hey, you already said that.
Yeah, but today I got a fidget spinner because I really wanted one.
Last time, him got a fidget spinner.
And she likes it so much that she see?
Gosh, guys, I can't do this. And even my best friend can't because he got the little hands. And I got a big hands. Like, whoa, on my lunch.
So look how big my hands are.
Yeah,
But really, it's right here.
like a bear's.
Today, this is just gonna be a random video because
And I got a fan growing here soon, and then it's gonna be a little flower, small flower, a big flower now.
let's go on it. We going. Shout out to all my subscribers. I love you guys. You know how we have 2. Now we're gonna have 1. But I just want to entertain you guys. And who's watching this right now, can you please subscribe? Please.
Yes, I'm not gonna make a big video before, but
That's quitting. You didn't say you was joking last time. And today I'm at my friend's house and really nothing to do. I just went to play. Guys, if you want to get a fidget spinner, go to Playlist Closet. Shout out to them. Sponsor this video. Probably not, but who cares?
yeah, and
Get one for $5.
I really want a big pink glittery fishing spinner. Then it's gonna be super pretty, guys.
Look right there. See that black dot right there? Look right there. Just always looks like that. He's just relaxing.
Yep, and this is relaxing.
Okay, scoot in. So we're doing this. Kaden, are you serious?
When you go to the walking bridge.
Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah, guys. This is me. This is my friend watching my channel, so it doesn't matter if I get.
Yeah, and my
copyright.
channel too.
Yeah, she should have her own channel, like makeup and all that.
Yeah, but I
She's
don't
too
know how to be a YouTuber.
We can. I can show you later.
And today, guys, we are just gonna show you how this little guy works. And watch this: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. And
Guys, don't
action.
judge her. She just in. What grade are you in?
None.
Well, who cares? Don't judge her. She's want to say 1, 2, 3 and spin. Come on.
Okay, here I am, guys.
Say 1, 2, 3 and then spin it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, and spinning it, guys. And
You guys can see it.
action.
Put it up close to it.
That out.
Guys, you know what the cool part is?
You can do that.
Look at that. Look on the camera.
Yeah, and it's actually showing the spin.
These are these are the recent ones.
Yeah.
We got this one for 5. See,
You know what, guys?
You're gonna break the table.
She won't. She's too weak.
She will.
She's too weak to do that.
And guys,
I'm not saying you're. I'm not. Ah!
You just called her weak.
You don't know? Do you know what weak means?
Yes, it means not strong.
But
Doesn't it do?
I have super gecko muscles, so I don't know what
Did you say?
Max.
Did you say gecko?
No, super gecko muscles, and I watch PJ Max, guys. If that's your
Good.
favorite show, then like this video in 3, 4, 1, and hit that subscribe button.
She knows these words like.
Yeah, because you watch it on YouTube way much more than me.
Yeah, I already knew that because you're always on your computer just playing Roblox.
Blocks.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, and I need to get
Go ask your
soda,
mom if we
guys.
can go get a fidget spinner.
Dude,
I need to get a soda.
even though there's none.
Okay, guys. This can spin for a long time. So what do you want to do for TCT? Are you quitting? Or you're not just in the mood? By the way, I'm talking to you.
Recording stop?
Yeah, why?
I don't know what I'm doing. I just don't want to be doing video.
Then why?
Dude, I just don't want to do a video over here.
Over here. So you like it better at my house?
Yeah.
Then let's go.
No!
But why my house? Much bigger, much more games.
Yes.
I can see how
Make more videos.
you make more videos to me. Well, not really.
Scary.
Who are those kids? Keandre! How did they get? They'll be at your yard. Sorry, guys. Kaden actually did it. Who's it? Kaden, stop.
It isn't me. It is.
Okay, I'm gonna stay right from the table and just see it drop. If it cracks, you pay for it. Who are those people? They just stole a bike and leave it. Dang it, no. Keandre, what are you doing? G-Baby! Where's Giovanni?
Bye, guys. I just need to get my cream.
Yeah, I'm going inside.
Huh? See, you're gonna leave your friend like that.
Dude, I don't want to be near those people.
They're not as... That's why he's gonna be kicked out. Oh, that's my friend's friend.
What they doing over here?
I don't know. They just came over there and they'll leave the bike over there. That's what I think. That's what my vision. Wait. Bye bye. Did you just tell me to shut up, Mister?
Who told you to shut up?
I just heard shut up. That's all I heard. Oh,
You
they
should not be going through people's yards. Y'all need to not be going through their yard.
I don't care, Mom. Okay, then.
That's
I'm just making it known because I don't want nobody over here.
That's trespassing right there.
Yes, I know it's trespassing.
Then why you don't care?
I don't care. I didn't say that I don't care.